everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, a little something different. I'm going to share with you how I have created my own wet cleaning wipes for my kitchen because right now, ain't nobody finding those disposable versions in the grocery store. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Okay, something a little bit different today. For the last month or so, have been making my own cleaning wipes. In this particular time, there's a huge shortage of some cleaning products. Wet cleaning wipes are definitely on that list. They're like at the top of the list, and it's because of where they're manufactured, which is overseas. And right now we're having a hard time getting our hands on those things. The grocery store and big box store shelves are empty, and if those are something that you tend to rely on, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna take, because I have a ton of these cloths that we use for cleaning and what have you, I'm gonna take these cloths and I'm gonna make my own wipes. So what I'm doing is I just fold them in half, roll them up like a cigar, and I'm just popping them in this container. This is also one of my favorites. You guys, you've heard me talk about the Lock and Lock. And for those of you who are gonna ask, because I know someone's gonna ask, because I have previously posted a picture of these on my Instagram feed, and someone asked if they start to go slimy or start to smell or go moldy. Honestly, we go through what's in this bin in about a week, and I've not experienced that at all. Now, I'm not just wetting these with water, I'm using my favorite cleaner, and that's what you should do. So I'm using an essential oil-based thieves cleaner, and these are the towels that were already in the bin. But you see, you can fit more than 40 in this particular box, but once they get wet, they're gonna reduce. So I have my cleaner already mixed up in my measuring jug, just with cool water, and I just pour that over. And then that's all gonna absorb into the cloth. You can see it's already being taken up by those cloths in the bottom that were dry. And yes, you're gonna have a little bit in the bottom, a little extra juiciness, but when you open up and need a cleaning wipe, you just can take this out. You can squeeze it right back into the box, and you have a perfectly useful wet wipe that's already been infused with your favorite cleaner. That is a great opportunity to have some cleaning wipes that are a little more eco-friendly, if that's what you're all about. These are so useful, helpful, doable. They don't take a lot of effort to put together, and you know, once a week on a Sunday afternoon, you just incorporate this into your weekly tasks, and when those come out of the dryer, you just roll them up and pop them in the box. Because necessity is the mother of invention, and when we can't get our hands on something we're used to having, we have to have another option. If you've got kids, pets, you're doing a lot of cooking, making a lot of messes, then you need something that's easy to reach for, that you can just grab, clean, and go. You can rinse this out, put it in your dirty bin, and then once a week you can wash them, and it's easy. So that is my solution for wet wipes. I'll leave a link down below where you might be able to find the container I'm using, as well as the cloths that I like. And I will say it is worth it to go out of the way to go and get the Campanelli brand, because they are superior quality. I have bought the microfiber cloths off of Amazon. I have bought the microfiber cloths from Sam's Club. These are way better, and they're more plush, they're thicker, they have a better absorption rate, and they wear way better. They're not, the other ones are almost disposable. You use them a few times, they stain, they pill, they get holes in them, and I mean, I've done my time with those as well. These are superior. So that is my kind of tip to make your own wet wipes for your kitchen at a time when we may be having a problem finding the disposable variety in the store. So I hope you give this a try, and I hope it's helpful, and I hope that you use it, and I hope that you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.